Hey guys, Jules from JRP here. Today, we're going to be adding on to JRP's 2016 Toyota 4Runner build with upgraded suspension and brakes. So on this car, we've already installed an AFE Momentum Intake, as well as Enkei RPT1s and a sprint booster. First up, we have AFE's Swayaway Racing Technology Coilover suspension. Of course, this is a lift kit for the vehicle. For over 20 years, AFE's Swayaway Racing Technology has been entirely built and designed in the USA. On the inside of these things, you're going to find nitro steel shafts for increased strength and durability. And don't forget, they are entirely rebuildable, so you won't feel bad about using this thing hard. Next up, we have a Rotora forged 4-piston brake kit. This is a big truck, so it's going to need some big brakes. And finally, we have some SPC Performance upper control arms and trailing arms. These things are quite heavy duty. They do come with much thicker ball joints than usual. When you lift a vehicle, your two major concerns are going to be clearance and adjustment, and SPC offers both. Okay guys, so that's it for the install of our suspension and our brake setup on the 2016 Toyota 4Runner. If you guys are looking to lift or modify your truck or SUV, we've got the right parts here at JRP. If you guys want to see more build coverage, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.